What a glorious day we had today. The air was cool and crisp and clean. Got a few outdoor chores done. Got some more taters dug up. Got some more garlic picked. Yeah, plant a little bit of garlic. So comes this time of year, it's time to harvest it. So there are, roughly about 100 there. These are German white. And over here was the pick from the other day, and those are also German white. And they'll hang out here and cure until the leaves all turn brown. And then in here, these are what's called music, M-U-S-I-C. And then some oddballs that sprouted up here and there and everywhere. So it's tater time, it's garlic time. It's time to open all the windows on the house and shop. Doors were wide open today. Barn doors were wide open today. These are the days you live for up in the country here. Not the hot, humid ones, but these cool, crisp ones. So I just came out to close everything up for the night so critters don't get in. That's what I'm doing. So I don't know if I ever took time to show you the peach trees that I'm growing from seed or from the pits. So there are 6 of them. And I've got them fairly close together in this nursery here. But they are in their 3rd season. And I may transplant them or I may let them grow in place. I don't know. Part of me wants to leave this front one, take the second one out, and move that over like here somewhere, and then leave the 3rd one, take the 4th one out, leave the 5th one, and take the 6th one out. So spread them out a little and move them out here. If they like growing here, then why not let them grow? So as you can see, I've got the shop doors wide open. I'm just heading in to close it all up and call it a day. So I hope you had a blessed day. I don't know if you get the connection here or not. Let me open this. If you get the connection here of these big doors, you recall another wood shop video series that used to have big barn doors that he used to fling open? I don't know if that's why I did these, but they're very inefficient. They don't fit tight. They don't open easy. Very inefficient. But it's reminiscent of the opening scene to Roy Underhill's The Woodwright Shop, where he swings the door wide open. There's one of my racks full of stuff. Got to get this stuff cleaned up. That's about it for now. You go have yourself a blessed evening. Wishing you all the best. Walter out.